right, hello everybody. Well, we had a very special guest with us today. We have this little baby here who is just 3 weeks going on 4 weeks. This is Jamie's son, and we adjusted him just a couple of days ago because she was telling me that he was nursing easier on one side compared to the other. And a lot of times when we see babies doing that, that just indicates that they get a little misalignment in the upper part of their spine. Kind of like if you have a crick in your neck, you don't want to turn your neck both ways. So we're going to recheck him today and adjust it again if needed. You have lots to say today. We're going to easily just turn the body, and then we're going to turn the body again. Oh, yeah. We're going to go back this way again. Good, so we're looking for everything to turn. And when we start going this way, it's turning way better than it was on Monday. Body's just catching a little bit as I get them all the way. So all we're going to do, oh my goodness. We take a little tiny pinky finger, we contact that very upper bone and just do some light vibration right through. Yes. And then we can turn all the way and notice how his body doesn't follow. And that's it. Easy peasy.